Hey there, heavy machinery fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are at the ultimate, the coolest, and the absolute biggest event of the year, the RC Road Roller Expo. Look around us. There are so many awesome remote control rollers here today. We've got big ones, small ones, shiny new ones, and even some classic scale models. If you love big trucks, squishing dirt, and remote control power, hit that subscribe button right now, because this is going to be an epic ride. Are you ready? Let's roll. First up, let's check out this absolute beast. This is a 1/14 scale, fully hydraulic RC road roller. Look at that massive metal drum in the front. When I push the joystick forward, vroom, look at it move. It feels so powerful, even though it's a toy. But hey, did you know that these little RC machines work exactly like the real ones you see on the street? That brings us to a super cool science question. What does a road roller actually do? Well, it doesn't just drive around looking tough. Its main job is called compaction. Can you say that with me? Compaction. Excellent. Compaction means pressing down on dirt, gravel, or asphalt to squeeze out all the trapped air. Why? Because if there is air left in the ground, the road will become weak and it will crack or sink when heavy cars drive on it later. So this big, heavy drum squishes everything down to make the ground super strong and flat. Now watch closely. I'm driving onto this bumpy, messy pile of sand. If I just drive over it normally, it flattens it a little bit. But watch what happens when I turn on the secret weapon. Whoa, do you see that? The whole roller is shaking. This is called a vibratory roller. Inside this giant drum, there are special weights that spin around really fast. This creates a powerful shaking motion. Fun science fact. The weight of the roller plus the fast shaking force pushes the dirt particles much closer together than just regular weight alone. It's like magic, but it's actually physics. Look at that sand now. It went from a messy pile to a smooth, hard highway in just a few seconds. That is the power of science, my friends. As I walk around the expo, I see that not all road rollers look the same. Check these out. First, we have this guy with a bumpy drum. It looks like it has giant teeth. This is called a sheep's foot roller. No, it's not for sheep. It's called that because a long time ago, people used to walk herds of sheep over dirt to pack it down with their hooves. Today, we use this machine. The bumps are perfect for packing down thick clay and wet soil. Next to it, we have a smooth-wheeled roller. This one is perfect for the final touch on a brand new road. It makes the asphalt smooth enough for your bicycles and skateboards. And look at the back of this one. It doesn't have metal tracks. It has heavy rubber tires. That's a pneumatic roller, used to seal the top layer of the road so water can't get inside. Engineers have to choose the perfect roller for the perfect job. Alright, you know the science, you know the models, now it's time for the ultimate RC roller challenge. I have to steer this heavy machine through the cones, cross the wooden bridge, and completely flatten that mountain of dirt at the end. Let's start the clock. Steering a road roller is tricky because they don't turn like regular cars. They use articulated steering, meaning the whole front half of the truck twists in the middle. Look at that bend. Careful over the bridge, we made it. Now, let's smash that dirt mountain. Boom! Flattened! Mission accomplished! Wow! What an amazing day here at the RC Road Roller Expo! We saw some incredible machines, learned how they use weight and vibration to make our roads safe, and we smashed some serious dirt! Which RC roller was your favorite? The smooth one or the bumpy sheep's foot roller? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome RC adventures. Until next time, keep rolling, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!